All right, here we have a unique business opportunity. So as you can see, ZW Sushi Land, business only. So only the business is for sale. We'll have to figure out, the rent and the lease and have all that transferred over. However, take this in. So you're right there in Brookhaven, Pennsylvania, going to fly around. Clearly you can see shots of Philly for those that are not fully aware. Fairly close to Philadelphia, not far from Wilmington, Delaware, and essentially right down the street, more or less, from Media, Pennsylvania. So just wanted to show you the surrounding neighborhood and kind of get your bearings set so you know exactly where it is. So we will fly around a little bit more. After this, by the way, we do the boots on the ground tour and actually go over everything. So the current owner will be there with us to basically hear it right from her. And that is the absolute best way, in my personal opinion. So here we go. We're just going to do a little bit more flying, show you the front of the store, take you all the way around, and that's it. Great sign, and in we go.
So here we have a business for sale. We're going to go through the entire details and then take it from there. Would you like to give us a tour?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Oh, perfect. So we'll come back out and we'll talk parking and everything that you just told me.
Yeah.
So in we go. Oh, wow.
Our dining is still closed.
Right now?
Yes, right now. We'll probably open next month. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, because of COVID, right? Still?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah. And this is a sushi bar. And we use there the wine.
Absolutely,
the
yeah.
sake. And then this Chinese kitchen.
Are you okay to show me that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
The sushi bar. We make the sushi here.
I like it.
And then this is the Chinese kitchen. Yeah.
And as you said, all the equipment will stay,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. All.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because you purchased it all, right?
Yeah.
Let me just think.
And this is
Hi. I'll spin around here and come through. So this is a good space once it reopens, though.
yeah.
Okay. And normally you did have people that would come and dine in, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then what did you say was over here?
Yeah. The restaurant here. Yeah. You want to open the lights?
Actually, yeah, please. This is the video. I'm actually going to get pictures too afterwards.
Okay.
But the
sorry.
video speaks a lot more words.
Yeah.
So anything else to see in here?
Yes.
Okay, show me.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, yeah. The restaurant here.
We'll see with the lights on now. Okay, good sign.
Yeah. And so we do have the booths, 2 booths over there, and probably 4 tables over there. Yeah, and a sushi bar for the 6, chair. Yeah, they usually sit over here, just have a sushi.
Perfect. And this is it. So next door there's another building, right?
Yeah, it's another building.
Okay,
only for this building.
completely separate. And
Yeah.
then I saw this. And is that an emergency exit, or do we have anything else back there?
Yeah, this is for the back door.
And it takes you right out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then behind here, any freezers or anything you have going on there?
No, we don't. We only have this one, the small one, the
Over
freezer
here?
here,
Okay.
and the one here, and then
Behind you.
one here, and then one here.
Okay. And a sink here, just to make sure I got to see everything from
Yeah.
every angle.
Yeah. And then the back door to go outside.
Okay. Are we okay to go out there?
Yeah, sure.
Just helps paint a picture so people know exactly what they're looking at.
Yeah. Open that door. Turn the lights. In the basement, the landlord, where you can, storage, use stuffs.
So it's part of this, right?
Yeah, it's part of it.
Okay, well let's see outside and then if you're okay showing me that. Okay, and this walks right out to the parking that you were saying, right?
Yes.
And these 4 spots are for
Yes.
here?
Yes.
Okay. Actually more than 4, right? All the way down there?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'll get it because I'm going to fly the drone too, so I'll add that in.
Yeah.
And hold on, is there an apartment behind here?
No. This is for upstairs.
But it has nothing to do with this,
No,
right?
no,
Okay,
yeah.
see the meters. And is that your AC? Okay. But again, that's maintained by the landlord, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. And then okay to go down here with lights?
Yeah.
Follow your lead.
Sorry. We don't have stuff in downstairs. Yeah, but you can put
Oh wow, okay.
stuff here.
Okay. And this was just left from someone else, I assume?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so here's our electric panel.
This is our electric.
That
yes.
is yours.
Yes.
And I saw the AC, the heater's here somewhere too, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Heating and AC, together. We only have this, but that was so dirty, so we're not usually.
We don't use it? Okay,
Yeah.
well, good to know. Is this a light on or off?
I think so, I'm not sure. Probably didn't
Oh,
work.
you did anything.
Yeah.
Hey, see, that's right.
Yeah.
All right, and then this light goes over here. That should, okay. Well, that's enough. I mean, it's the business only, but you do have this space.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that is great. Yeah.
So, and outside, you can apply for the table outside, and
Yeah.
you go to the community to apply. But
What do you mean? For sale sign, or what do you mean?
No. You can put like 2 or 3 tables outside.
Oh, okay. Well,
Community.
actually, let me see that. Yeah, but you just gotta. Is it technically Brookhaven here then?
Yeah, Brookhaven, yeah.
You have to let them know.
Yeah, but the cheesesteak, they do have a 2 tables.
So then there should be no problem getting it once you apply, right?
Yes.
Oh, right here. Okay. Let me get a better view of that.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I think that's it. Anything else you want to add to it?
Yeah.
Nah?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll leave one more shot here. There we are.